Let's get to Rahel Solomon. She has some calls of the day for us today. Hi, Rahel.
Hi, Scott. Yeah, so Goldman Sachs is adding Constellation Brands to its conviction buy list with a $275 price target. So this is in part due to momentum with the Modelo brand. The note also saying that it expects Constellation Brands to more than double the volume of Corona hard seltzer shipments this year. And if you want a burrito to perhaps go with that Corona, well, Chipotle is being upgraded to buy at North Coast. Price target is $1,827 a share. So analysts, Scott, really like the company's growth, the menu innovation, and new store designs, which will improve margins. Ford getting an upgraded Argus with a $14 price target. So this is largely on an expectation of increased consumer spend. We should say that this is a stock that's among the top gainers in the S&P, along with GM, of course, up more than 30% year to date. It's been a good few months. And Chegg goes to outperform at Raymond James. Price target here, Scott, is $120 a share. This is as the firm sees it continuing to benefit from virtual learning, even in a post-COVID world. Certainly has a nice ring to it, right? Post-COVID. Hopefully we get there sooner.
Yeah, I can't wait. Rahel, thank you. Yeah, Rahel Solomon with our calls of the day. Doc, I'm going to go to you because you have some action in Ford. You own calls, and it was part of your unusual activity.
Yeah, just a week ago, Scott. And then back in, Pete had more unusual activity. Pete always sort of has unusual activity. But nonetheless, yeah, Ford doing a lot of things right. It was that move to the upside out of GM and Ford just over a week or 10 days ago that really triggered that unusual activity, Scott. And I like what Rahel had to say about many of the stocks like Canopy Growth, which is the driver, I think, the significant driver over there at Constellation Brands, Scott, because just look at these cannabis stocks since the election, 400%, 600%, those kinds of performances. That's what you've got out of the competitors to Canopy Growth. And now you've got Canopy Growth, of course, part of Constellation Brands. And I think that provides that real boom to the upside in that one.
Yeah. Steph, you're a prior owner of Constellation. Would you own it again here? Again, the conviction buy list over at Goldman, target goes to 275, as Rahel told us.
I mean, I like the idea. I think that there's a lot of ways that they can win, especially with Modelo distribution and the capacity increases in their hard seltzer business. But here's the thing. It's 24 times earnings. And they're trying to make a case that, OK, but growth is going to accelerate this year. You're going to go from 4.5% top line growth to 7.5% top line growth. For 24 times earnings, that's exactly why I'm underweight staples. That's one of the reasons, as I just mentioned, I sold Costco. And I really do think there's only a couple of special situations that I want to be involved in staples, Coke being my biggest position, actually.
Gotcha.